If your peperomia's leaves are suddenly turning yellow, it could be a sign of overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Act fast to avoid losing the whole plant. Overwatering is the most common peperomia killer. Only water when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil are completely dry, about every 7 to 10 days. Yellowing leaves can also signal a lack of nutrients. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 months during the growing season. Spider mites and mealybugs are common pests that can infest peperomias. Check the undersides of leaves weekly and treat promptly with insecticidal soap. Dried, browning leaf tips are a sign of low humidity. Mist your peperomia 2 to 3 times per week or use a pebble tray to increase moisture. Peperomias need bright, indirect light. If yours is getting tall and leggy, move it to a sunnier spot to encourage compact growth. Repot peperomias every 2 to 3 years in spring using a well-draining potting mix. Be gentle when handling the delicate roots. Prune off any dead or damaged leaves to encourage bushier, more compact growth. Use clean, sharp scissors and make cuts just above a leaf node. If your peperomia is still struggling, download our free care guide with even more tips to keep it thriving. Avoid common mistakes and make your plant happy.